Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Vskills Logistics and Supply Chain Manager Career Guide. In this video we will briefly tell you how you can prepare to become a logistics and supply chain manager, and how a Vskills placement cell can help you with your job. So let's get started. A logistics and supply chain manager have the following responsibilities. Supply chain managers perform tasks like planning and implementing the overall supply chain strategy. They collaborate with sales, operations, and customer service teams, and also determine key supply chain KPIs. Further, they also suggest solutions for process improvements, as well as identify and implement solutions in a timely manner. They also train and evaluate others, and provide constructive feedback. Supply chain managers also work with the finance, sales, and manufacturing team for determining the best vendors and distributors. They keep detailed records, generate reports as well as develop presentations to help management understand the logistics perspective. Supply chain managers create relationships within the company and with external parties. Moreover, they read and comprehend legal documents, such as contracts or import/export agreements. In today's world, logistics and supply chain management refers to the most powerful source of competitive advantage. That is to say, it enhances the traditional management by focusing on the organization and integration amongst the various partners of the supply chain for better management, and thus providing greater value to the consumer. Candidates in Vskills Logistics and Supply Chain Management certification will develop skills in analytical tools and approaches in the operation of logistics and supply chain systems, along with designing and setting up a warehousing facility. This course will also help you to learn about developing logistics networks in order to minimize costs and deliver the best customer service. According to a survey, supply chain management positions will grow at nearly 270,000 opportunities per year. Moreover, there is greater demand for supply chain professionals than supply. On becoming Vskills Certified Logistics and SCM Professional, the candidates will be able to explore various job options in sectors like transportation, warehousing, distribution and shipping conglomerates. Vskills, being India's largest certification and job provider, gives the following benefits. 1. The certifications will have a government verification tag. 2. Vskills Placement Cell helps you in the job search and connect you with potential companies. 3. The certification is valid for life. 4. Candidates will get lifelong e-learning access. 5. To clear the exam, you get access to free practice tests. 6. Candidates will get tagged as Vskills Certified on monsterindia.com and on shine.com. The Vskills Placement Cell continuously look for good job opportunities for Vskills certified candidates. We connect you with a potential employer or company and get you a job interview. And then after clearing your interview, you get employed. Candidates getting Vskills certified in logistics and SCM will get employment in companies like DHL, D&T, Mahindra Logistics, Gaudi KWE Private Limited, Flipkart, Snapdeal etc. After registering for the certification, you get access to an online LMS and free practice tests. Then you study for the exam, and after you think you have prepared enough, you select a date and time for the exam. Having cleared the exam, you become Vskills certified. And after that, our placement cell connects you with potential companies to get you a job interview. Certified Logistics and Supply Chain Management Professional covers the following topics. Introduction to Logistics, Material Management, Distribution Channel Management, Warehouse Management and Control, Transportation, Supply Chain Management, Distribution and Networking in SCM, Cost Analysis and Measurement in SCM, Mathematical Modeling in Logistics, Role of Information Technology in SCM. Candidates preparing for the exam should understand the importance of exam resources, as during the exam preparation, it is essential to get all the required study resources. This will provide an advantage to understand the concepts and meaning more accurately. In this preparation guide, we will discuss some of the most important resources to help you prepare well for the exam. 1. Understand what is the objective of the exam, and what is the role of a logistics and supply chain manager. Then go through your LMS and study books. We provide candidates an online learning material for a lifetime through our LMS. The online material is regularly updated. Furthermore, e-learning is bundled with hard copy material, which helps candidates to improve and update the learning curve for superior and better opportunities. After understanding and learning the exam topics, it is time for practice tests. That is to say, practice tests are important for better preparation, as by assessing yourself with these tests, you will know about your weak and strong areas. Moreover, you improve your answering skills for getting better results. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.